we'll guide you through how to manage tasks in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace dashboard. To add a new task, look for the New Task button, usually located at the top of your lists or spaces, and click on it. A task creation window will pop up. Here, you can enter the task title, and it's crucial to make it descriptive yet concise so it's easily identifiable later. Next, you can assign the task to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field and selecting their name from the drop-down menu. This ensures that everyone knows who is responsible for what. You can also set a due date by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing the appropriate date. This helps in keeping the project timelines on track. For more detailed task information, use the description area. You can type in more specifics about the task or any instructions the assignee might need. Attach files if necessary by dragging them into the designated area or by clicking the attachment icon. Now, let's talk about priorities. ClickUp allows you to set task priorities using color-coded flags. Click the priority flag icon and choose from urgent, high, normal, or low. This visual cue helps your team understand the task's urgency at a glance. Once you've filled in all the details, hit the Create Task button to save it. To manage existing tasks, go to your task list. You can sort tasks by due date, assignee, or priority using the sorting options at the top of the list. If you need to update a task, click on it to open the task details, make your changes, and remember to save them. To mark a task as complete, click the checkbox next to it. This will move it to the completed section, keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.